all packed up, and I'm going to be heading down to meet Dawn at the parking lot. So it's only 0.2 down, and it was a pretty easy 0.2 even coming back, even though it was up a little. Although we had a yummy food last night, so now we're going to go have some breakfast and some more coffee, and then she'll slack pack us for 5.5 miles, and then we'll finish the day with our packs. So looking forward to seeing her again this morning. Let's go. Had an amazing breakfast. I'll throw in a picture right here. Dawn brought us coffee and this giant bowl of oatmeal that had cinnamon and chocolate chips and apples and blueberries and strawberries and bananas, and it was so good. And now I'm quite full, and we are hiking to High Point State Park. So 5.5 mile slack pack. I have on this tiny little pack that Dawn provided so that I can just carry the essentials. And then she said there's a place we could order lunch if we wanted, and she could pick it up for us, but I'll have to wait and see if I'm even hungry. That was a big breakfast. She's so sweet, and her husband are coming to Maine, so hopefully we can meet up, and I can, if they're doing any hiking, maybe I can help out, or we can meet for dinner or something. So that'll be nice. What a view below.
Kind of weird having a house right there.
And there's a house right there. The terrain today looks like it's going to be pretty good. Looks like there's I just did a little climb, and then it smooths out, and then there's a couple little climbs, but nothing major today. At least that's what it looks like from far out. Whoop. But the rocks are still slippery. Just a little tiny bit of a view in the distance. It's hard to see in the camera because of the overcast, but it's not terrible. Trail smoothed out here. It was pretty rocky for a bit, and the rocks were wet, so it kind of slowed us down a little. But this is pretty nice. Look at this giant rock cliff. It's very cool. It goes on for quite a while. Very neat. We are almost to High Point State Park. Very close. Ow, I just kicked a stick. I think I might even see a parking lot. I'm not sure, with a road or something. Guess we'll see in just a minute. Looks like there it is. Here's the inside.
Gives her, again, a little sitting area would be really nice or something, but it's
Splitting a lunch.
Maybe they don't, yeah. I don't know if they're
I'm gonna eat these, and I didn't yet. So I'll just stick that right there. I like to use that. Oh, wait, we don't want to leave. All right, here's the observation deck. I don't know how much of a view there'll be. Well, there's the High Point Monument. So that's neat. And then, yeah, this is the rest. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. Lovely weather we're having. It's pouring again, and it's all rocks again. So it's been going slow because we've been going down over rocks. I'm hoping it gets a little easier, or it stops raining, or both. The trail has been pretty wet and puddly. Woohoo, and muddy. I'm just sliding in the mud. It's been raining every day for a week except Saturday, and that was when we had a 0. Rain stopped for the moment. Let's hope it stays that way. Little field. It's hard to walk in the mud because I keep slipping everywhere. So, nice little views. And now we're gonna walk through the field. Hopefully it's not too muddy. But it's beautiful. Look at my feet. So muddy and wet. Oh well, that's what happens. This was a cool bridge. All right, so so it looks like Andrea and Rudy left trail magic for people, so that's nice. There's chips and Gatorade and craisins, and there's water, a water cache, and there's another cooler over here. Looks like there's some north sides and everything. Wow. That's the last little climb of the day. We're going down a little bit, not too far, and then we should find the shelter, but this is a pretty view. All right, made it to the secret shelter. There's room for 4 of us on the floor. Maybe you could squeeze in a couple more people if you move the table. But it's cozy and very warm in here, so that's a plus. And there's chairs. So I'm gonna make dinner and then try and dry out a few more things. My quilt is soaking wet. Somehow it got really drenched.
I'll get out here.
And that is a bummer. So, but thankfully I'm inside, so it should be okay. Alright, my dinner is cooking. I'm having the stuffing, ramen, and instant mashed potatoes. And then I'll be heading to bed and get some editing done. There's, I didn't want to film everybody in there. Just, they're all getting ready for bed, so. Hope you guys all had a great day and did not slip and slide in the mud like I did. And I'll see you in the morning.